Would you believe this is the fastest car in the world? It's the AsPark Owl. I'm viewing it at the Miami Auto Show. This car has speed 0 to 60 in 1.72 seconds. It has 258 miles as the top speed, and it has 1953 horsepower. Subscribe and stay tuned for additional updates from the auto show.
I'm going to shoot that QR code. So what's the brand?
The brand is AsPark. It's ASPARK. The model is the Owl, and this is currently the fastest accelerating EV in the world.
And where is it made?
It's made in Italy, but it's a Japanese company. Hey guys, you can't touch the cars, just so you know.
ICE.
Yeah. 0 to 60 in 1.72, top speed of 272, and they are in production and street legal.
What's the cost?
3.2.
How does it? Is it Pagani? How does it stack up against Koenigsegg's cars?
Faster than the Remake. It's the fastest. It just broke the record back in May in the UK. They tested it.
Very good. Be okay if I put you on camera?
No, not yeah, no problem, not at all.
Very good. Thank you for the info.
Of course.
Did I hear you say this was electric?
Fully electric, yes.
Okay.
Sir. Fastest accelerating EV.
Okay. Early when I said ICE, internal combustion engine, I was thinking it was gasoline.
No, EV.
But thanks.
Yeah.
It's a spectacular looking car.
Isn't it beautiful?
The question is, how will it hold up after
I
being
know.
driven?
That's true.
But I guess you got to get someone interested first.
Right?
Thanks.